B1 family.
Solve the shit. I exist, I ain't going nowhere. I hear you motherfuckers talking, complaining. It's too this, it's too dark, it's too violent. But yeah, I want the fuck happened when the CIA conspired to distribute crack and mind vomit. The roosters crowing. Man, black people don't own no ports or boats. So tell me, how the fuck we getting all this coke? Or for knowledge I choke, spitting them jewels, hoping a young future soldier hear me daily. GW Bush fear me. They know, they wanna sweep us on the rug, hoping we just keep killing, shooting each other with slugs. Look up above and pray to God he protect me from these cold jewels and this heartless judge. Imagine growing up, never having faggot ass pops acting like you never had.
Man, it's your boy, man. Bronx Afghanistan Black, repping that Black Afghanistan TV, as well as that Bronx Afghanistan area. You dig? Anyway, my niggas. You know, this gonna be real quick and brief, man. Because I'm constantly, you know what you niggas, I'm constantly taking down memory lane. See, a lot of you niggas try to take me down memory lane to try to play me, niggas. But you cannot play me because you can only play a nigga that's prone to playing itself, you dig? And that's never me, man. But check this out, man. Now, I had a nigga hit me in my DM earlier, right? About an old Alpo video I had did, you know what I'm saying? And he said that I bigs up Poe on a certain type of time. So maybe I harbor rats, you know what I mean? Maybe I like rats, man. So I told a nigga, I said, check this out, man. Anytime, I said, I already told niggas this, but I guess you were wet behind the neck, ear, you know they used to say, them type of niggas, right? So I said, copy, cool, heard you, right? I said, nigga, anytime I bigged up Poe, it was before the snitching, nigga. It was before the snitching, nigga. Fuck is wrong with you niggas, right? But anyway, nigga, he said the moral of his story, I think he was from D.C. or B-More. He was from out that area, right? But I think it was D.C. And he said, nigga, he said Poe had to get Big Head Gary to kill Richie, you know what I mean? He didn't have the heart to do it, he pussy. He tried to break down to me how each and every time there was a murder game involved that meant something in the game, that was going to sweep the game and take the game by storm, Poe got somebody else to do it. Made him pussy, in my opinion, on it. Excuse me, niggas. So I said, yo, do I think he pussy behind that? No. No, I cannot say that. I could say a nigga got gifted gab for that. You dig? I could say a nigga got gifted gab for that. I could say a nigga's a master manipulation and shit like that there for that. But it doesn't make you pussy. Because me, myself being one of them niggas, see, I was the type of nigga in the hood where I could sell water to a well, nigga. You dig? I could sell water to a well. That's just the way I was. I could sell water to a well, my niggas. You dig? So I know firsthand that doesn't make you soft. That just make you get a bunch of recruiting niggas, right? You talk that fluorescent lights on their brain, nigga, right? Because there's two sorts of fluorescent lights that you speak on a nigga brain, niggas. You speak fluorescent lights on a nigga brain to get him to do what the fuck you want, and you speak fluorescent lights on the broad brain, get her to do whatever the fuck you want, nigga. You dig? So now, man, back to the story at hand. Now that I got that out the way, niggas, do it make Poe ussy? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's more or less that a nigga got gifted gab. If Big Head Gary and the rest of them niggas was willing to do what Poe said because he had the bag, he had the New York Swidag, and he had the gift of gab, they fell for it, they did the dirty work, it is what it is. I'll let you motherfuckers do the dirty work too, if I can get it, you know what I mean? If I don't gotta get my hands dirty, I just come and whisper some shit, some fluorescent lights on you niggas' brain, and you niggas go and do the clap, 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 clap. For me, you buck 'em on the way down. For me, nigga, I'ma get you to do that shit, nigga. Don't make me pussy. It just make you niggas I don't know, maybe stupid like a motherfucker, gullible like a motherfucker followers on the deals, nigga, for the bag, nigga. So that's my take on this shit, man. Black in the Moment TV. That's my take on it, man. That's my take on it, man. Straight up.
B1 Family.